Have you ever faced this issue of media offline in Davinci Resolve and you are not sure how to fix it? Let me help you with that. First of all, on the timeline, you need to click on the media which is shown in red color. We actually need to do the right click. And then next thing, we actually need to click on the find in the media pool. And then looking at the media pool here, you can see that one media is selected. And this is IMG 0421. So we actually need to do the right click on this media here. And then we need to come and click on the proxy media. If we reach on the proxy media, on the right side here, we can see there is an option for relink proxy media. So this is where we actually have to click, and then we click here. And this will take us to the storage of our laptop or our computer. So now what we need to do, we need to look for the exact same media or the exact same media file in our storage. And then we need to select that. If you could remember, it is IMG 0421. So we need to look for the exact same thing. If I check here in my recent, we can see that it is this one, IMG 0421. So we actually need to click here and then we click open. And as you can see, the issue is now solved. You can see that in the timeline, it's no longer showing in red color. And if you look at the media pool here also, we have actually recovered or we have resolved this issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Ciao, ciao.